Philippines' #1 boxer only trusts the world's #1 deodorant. Rexona, guaranteed to make you feel clean and fresh every day. In roll-on and Deo lotion. Laban Manning, we won't let you down.
Generation namin, juicy daw.
Gusto namin. Walang katulad eh. Nescafe Creamy White. The only coffee with real Nestle milk.
We choose real. Creamy lang?
Better with Nestle milk.
Creamier pa more.
Only kakaibang creamy touches my lips.
For us, Nescafe Creamy White or nothing.
Choosy, we choose Nescafe Creamy White.
Ikaw, what do you choose?
Kaya mo na to. #1 beer. Yan ang sarap ng Red Horse Beer.
Red Horse Extra Strong! The #1 beer mo ang tama.
Guys, may 300 MB tayo.
Stock up on data with Smart Big Bites. May apps and sites up to 300 MB. 50 pesos lang for 3 days. May free YouTube pa and more. Text Big 50 to 9999.
Magtiwala kayo. Maaasahan niyo ako.
Hindi ako hihinto. Hindi ako bibigay.
Wala kayong iintindihin.
Dahil wala akong ibang aalalahanin, kundi kayo.
Motolite, pangmatagalan. The Philippines' #1 boxer only trusts the world's #1 deodorant. Rexona, guaranteed to make you feel clean and fresh every day. In roll-on and Deo lotion. Laban Manning, we won't let you down.
Pag tinipid ang feeds ng inahin, mas madaling tamaan ng breeder fatigue. Kukunti ang biik, kukunti ang gatas. Dapat B-Make Premium Gestating Pellets para dami biik and B-Make Premium Lactating Pellets para dami gatas. B-Make Premium para sa inahin, laban sa breeder fatigue.
Don't let pimples stop you. Use Master Deep Cleanser. It removes pimple-causing dirt that soap leaves behind. Win against pimples with Master Deep Cleanser.
Ang I love you mo, makakarating. Ang I miss you mo, makakarating. Ang will you marry me mo, makakarating. Ang laging mag-aral, sana nandito kayo, makakarating. Here at LBC, we don't just move stuff, we move lives. LBC, we like to move it.
Bear Brand Choco! Bear Brand Choco, nagatas na may ice. Ang sarap ng Bear Brand Choco na may ice.
It's back! Free Choco Ice Shaker, now with 4 designs. Collect them all!
The Philippines' #1 boxer only trusts the world's #1 deodorant. Rexona, guaranteed to make you feel clean and fresh every day. In roll-on and Deo lotion. Laban Manning, we won't let you down.
Ganado ka ba sa buhay? Dagdag trabaho man, di ko atrasan. Para sa unang graduate ng pamilya. Tay, para sa'yo. Ito, para sa atin.
Ginebra San Miguel, nakasanayang sarap at tapang.
Di ba ang ganado?
Ginebra San Miguel, ganado sa buhay.
Samahan niyo po ako dahil ang dadalawin ko today isang super successful na misis, lalong-lalo na sa pinili niyang career. Sa bahay po ba kayo po ba ang bossing? Kasi dito sa office, obviously, yung title na nga lang po, chief.
Sa bahay, hindi akong bossing. Siyempre si Atty. Benny. Kaya nga, 25 taong ko nang pinaglalaba yung husband ko.
Oh, in fairness, di ba?
Happy Wife, Happy Life. Bukas, 10:15 a.m. sa TV5.
The best tasting Nescafe Classic ever. Para sa best start mo.
La 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 la.
You start making friends. Fuller